Would you want to get this notification with this amount getting credited into your bank account? That's what makes today's strategy super good, and you won't even need much work with this. No skills are required, nor any experience. The method we will be discussing today is actually quite unique. This hasn't gotten the buzz I think this deserves, probably because people who do know about this are pretty stingy with the information. What's really great about this is how this is completely free, so you don't need to have any budget with this to get started. This is also available all over the world without any restrictions at all. And finally, you just need to set this up once, and you then have a passive income stream. This is a very exciting method, so make sure you don't miss out on any parts of today's video. Welcome to the channel, where I teach you methods of how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. We'll be covering a couple of websites for this strategy today, but the first one is gettranscript.com. Here we can find some simple transcription jobs. So from an audio file, if you want to do some work here, we'll need to type in the content of the audio file. Don't worry, this isn't what we'll be doing here. I know transcribing is quite a tiring job, so we want to avoid this, and instead do something much easier, which is what we'll be going over today. I have something ready for you that will do the transcription for you automatically. This powerful method will help you make really good money without you having to do any of the hard work yourself. On here, you'll see that you can actually make this much money every single minute. Let's do a quick calculation. If we do this, you were able to make this much within a single hour, or probably even more. This is how much you could potentially make with this method. Now let's go through the sign up process. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and under the transcription section, click on work. Then go ahead and click on this button to apply now, and this will take you to this page. Just input your email address, password, then click on the sign up button. And there you go, it's that simple. So this is going to be our first stream of income. The next website we'll be able to make money from is Squibbie.com. This is very similar to GoTranscript, but again, we won't be doing any transcriptions ourselves. The reason why I'm showing you these websites is for you to be able to build multiple streams of income, because the more jobs you're going to sign up to, of course, the more money you will be able to make. Another reason is that some websites run out of jobs for you to do. There are times when they would run out of opportunities for you, so it's great to have multiple streams of income. Just in case, going back to Squibbie, let's now sign up for a free account. Squibbie also pays really well for transcribing audio files to text file. Again, I'll be showing you exactly how you can do this automatically, so you won't have to do it entirely yourself. Scroll down to the page, and you'll find the section that says join Squibbie as a transcriber. Go ahead and click on that blue button underneath. That's going to take you to this page, where they show you their terms of how you're going to work and earn your money on here. You could earn up to $25 per audio hour for short files, which are about 10 minutes long. Now they do pay a bit lesser than the first website, but again, you're here to build multiple streams of income, and shortly I'll be showing you another stream of income you can make use of. These are methods that not a lot of people talk about, so I'm super stoked that you're watching this video right now. As much as possible, I want to give my subscribers the most up-to-date money-making methods. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Moving along, let's scroll down to the bottom of the page, and we'll see this transcription affiliate program. So go ahead and click on that. That will take you to this page. So here we can refer other people to this website and promote their services, and when they sign up to the job and actually finish the job, you can make some really good commission on the business generator. Basically, all you have to do is refer people to transcribe, and when they sign up here, they finish the transcription job, and through that you're going to make 10 of whatever they're making, and you won't even have to do any work. All you need to do is refer your friends here. So that makes our third stream of income. But that isn't all. I have yet to show you the exact method that will help you do everything automatically, and how you can have a fourth stream of income. You can make hundreds of dollars with each of the streams, and up to $400 with all of them combined. So make sure you watch till the end of this video. Now you might be asking, how can we get people to sign up for our referral? I personally tried this myself, and it has only proven how powerful this method is, and I want to share this with you. So for the fourth income stream, you will still be making use of Squibbie. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and you can basically become an affiliate, which is actually pretty great. Go ahead and click on this button, and it'll lead you to this page where they will show you how much commission you could make, which is about 5% lifetime affiliate commission. I know on GoTranscribe you can make more with 10 commission, but again, we are here to build multiple streams of income, so we could earn as much as we can. So now I want to show you this great and fairly new software, NCH software. This is free to download, even if you have a MacBook, or if you're using your phone. This software will do all the transcriptions for you, a 10 or even 30-minute long audio file. they could transcribe this for you automatically, which you can then submit to the websites we discussed earlier. And with this, you can easily make a ton of money online very easily, and with just a click of a button. Now go ahead and click on the red download button, and this will automatically be installed into your device, and you can begin using this instantly to start getting paid. You don't need to do any of the work for this, and you automatically have 2 streams of income for this, which are GoTranscript and Scribby. And that's not all, you still have 2 other income streams ready for you by making use of their affiliate programs. First is transcriptionessential.com. This is a forum you are free to access, no matter where you are in the world. So you can register here and just click on the I accept the terms of service, and I'm at least 18 years old. Then you'll just need to input all of the necessary information. Then click on the I am not a robot. Then over here just type in transcription, where it says what's the first word in the name of the website. Just be sure to type exactly that. Then click on the register button after that you've already successfully signed up. So you can go to the home page and see several different posts that you can engage with. You can post and share other stuff on here. As well, here you will see that there are about 2,000 members, 300 posts, and over 20,000 topics you could cover. What's really cool as well is how all of the members here are within the transcription fields of interest. So it's safe to say that they do this work as a profession. So basically what you can do here is refer these people to the GoTranscription website. And since this is a forum specific for transcriptionists, it's also safe to say that they will be sure to sign up to whatever you promote, be it GoTranscription or Scribby, which means you will be earning your commissions from the referral programs you signed up for earlier. So that's 10% on whatever they earn for GoTranscript, and 5% for Scribby, and that goes for your entire lifetime. So say for example, they earn $2,000, that means you get $200 for free, and that's just for GoTranscript for one single referral. Imagine how much you could earn. When you combine all the streams of income we discussed earlier, this opportunity is just absolutely incredible. And that's it for today's strategy. I really hope you don't pass up this opportunity, because this is absolutely great and beginner friendly. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.